Artificial intelligence is no longer just the stuff of science fiction. From voice assistants in our homes to algorithms that shape our social media feeds, AI is rapidly becoming a central part of our daily lives. But as AI evolves, a burning question arises: will machines one day surpass human intelligence? And if they do, what will that mean for us? To understand where AI is headed, let's take a quick look back. The journey of AI began in the mid-20th century, with the creation of the first computers capable of basic problem solving. Fast forward to today, and AI systems are now capable of learning from data, recognizing speech and images, and even defeating world champions in complex games like chess and Go. But how close are we to reaching a level of AI that surpasses human intelligence? Right now, AI excels at specific tasks. This is what's known as narrow AI. It can diagnose diseases, drive cars, and even generate art. However, these systems are far from matching the general intelligence of a human being. But the field of AI research is pushing the boundaries every day. We're seeing advances in deep learning, natural language processing, and robotics that hint at the possibility of general AI machines that could think, learn, and adapt like humans across a broad range of tasks. But as we push forward, we must ask ourselves, what happens if we succeed? If AI were to surpass human intelligence, it could transform every aspect of society, from the economy to healthcare, to the very nature of work. Yet this possibility raises significant ethical questions. Who controls the superintelligent AI? How do we ensure it aligns with human values? And what safeguards can we put in place to prevent unintended consequences? Many experts believe that the future of AI doesn't have to be a dystopian one. In fact, AI has the potential to amplify human capabilities, solve some of the world's most pressing problems, and even help us understand the universe in ways we never imagined. The key lies in how we choose to develop and integrate this technology. Collaboration between AI and human intelligence could lead to a future where machines enhance our lives rather than replace us. So, will machines surpass human intelligence? The truth is, no one knows for sure. What we do know is that the future of AI will be shaped by the decisions we make today. As we stand on the brink of this technological revolution, we have the opportunity and the responsibility to steer it towards a future that benefits all of humanity. The future of AI is not just about machines. It's about us, our values, our creativity, and our vision for the world we want to create. What do you think? Will AI surpass human intelligence? And if it does, how do we ensure it's a future we all want to be a part of? Let us know in the comments below. And as always, if you enjoyed this exploration into the future of AI, hit that like button, subscribe, and join us on our next journey into the unknown.